Hello students, today we will learn about turning shapes. How a shape turn. So first of all we know the direction. This is our east, this is our west. Top is north and bottom is south. Now when our shape moves from north to east, that is called quarter turn. That is called quarter turn. And we can call it 1 by 4 in fraction form. 1 by 4 or 1 by 4 is known as quarter turn, and this is called 90-degree turn also. So quarter turn equal to 90 degree. When it moves from east to south, that is again 1/4 turn, and you can call it quarter turn. This is again 90 degree. And when it moves from south to west, that is again 90 degree, and you can call it quarter turn. And when it moves from west to north, that is again 1/4 and 90 degree quarter turn. Now moving to the half turn. Half turn. Again we will write the directions. This is our east, this is our west, this is our north, and this is our south. When we move from north to south, this is called half turn. This is called half turn. और इसका एक शॉर्टकट क्या होता है? नॉर्थ का अपोजिट क्या होता है? साउथ. When you are moving in opposite direction, that is called half turn. That is called half turn. And half turn is equal to 180 degree. 180 डिग्री. ऐसे ही अगर आप ईस्ट से वेस्ट जाते हो तो व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट? दैट इज वेस्ट. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो हाफ टर्न. और अगर आप साउथ से नॉर्थ की तरफ जाते हैं, दैट इज अगेन हाफ टर्न. सो हाफ टर्न में आपका क्या होता है? अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. एंड द डिग्री इज 180 एंड वी कॉल इट हाफ टर्न. नाउ थर्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड 3/4 टर्न. 3/4 टर्न. Again we will write the direction east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. When you will cover 3 quadrant, like from north you are moving to west, 1 2 3, so you are covering 3 parts out of total 4 part. So this is called 3/4 turn. And the degrees, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. Total is 270 degree. So when a shape takes 270 degree turn, that is called 3/4 turn. That is called 3/4 turn. ओके, सो आप किसी भी डायरेक्शन से अगर आप 3 क्वाड्रेंट को आप कवर कर रहे हो तो दैट इज योर 3/4 टर्न. लास्ट इज कंप्लीट टर्न. कंप्लीट टर्न. कंप्लीट टर्न में आपका क्या होता है? अगेन वी विल राइट द डायरेक्शन ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ. You will move from the place, you will again come on the same place, that is called complete turn. If I'll start from north and I'll move back to north, this is full round, that is called complete turn. That is called complete turn. Okay, and this is 360 degree. This is 360 degree. So if a shape takes 360 degree turn, that is called complete turn. That is called complete turn.